Hello everyone, Valentine also here for Graded Picture Playground. If this is your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified when new video is uploaded. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to create the gradient wipe transition, just like this example. So let's begin. I already have two clips on my timeline. This effect is applicable to any kind of clip that you have which you want to use in creating this effect. So I have this first clip and I have this second clip on my timeline. So to get started, what you need to do is to place this first clip above the second one partially, like this. Come to your effects and search for gradient wipe. When you search for your gradient wipe, you'll see that there are options of different gradient that comes up. So you take the one that is under the transition. You pick the gradient wipe and place it on the top video, just like so. So nothing has happened at the moment. You move your playhead to this beginning of the effects, which is this. Move it here. Come to your effects and control. Enable the stopwatch for transition completion. Then move forward a bit, just like this, to the end of the clip and set the transition completion to 100. Click enter and move the transition to the end of that particular clip. So when you play, this is what you get. So that is how to create the gradient wipe transition, like this. You can use this transition for any clips following this process and you'll get this effect. I hope this tutorial helps. If this is your first time on this channel, hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified when new video is uploaded. Please, if you like this tutorial, give it a thumb up, share with your friends and encourage them to subscribe to this channel to be getting more tips on film making and post-production techniques. If you have any question, ask it on the comment section. I will do well to respond to any of those questions. And if I have a series of questions pertaining to a particular tutorial to be created, I am assuring you that I'm going to create such tutorial when I have a reasonable number of people who ask that. Keep sharing this tutorial and keep subscribing, because this will go a long way in helping us to continue making series of this tutorial. Thank you. I am Valentine Ose. See you in our next tutorial.